Ever faced someone furious and had no idea what to say? Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People reveals a magic phrase that can instantly disarm anger and build empathy. When someone is upset, instead of arguing or getting defensive, try this. I don't blame you one iota for feeling as you do. If I were you, I would undoubtedly feel just as you do. This simple statement acknowledges their feelings without agreeing with their facts. It shows you've tried to see things from their perspective. This empathy is incredibly powerful. It breaks down walls and opens the door for genuine communication. Try it next time. To dive deeper into this topic and discover more transformative insights, click the link below for our full summary of How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. If our videos are adding value to you, we'd love for you to subscribe and join our community of wise readers.